Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the very first call so you can iterate fast. Add your API key to an environment file or a server proxy. Do not embed secrets in client.js. Once done, wire a button that triggers a fetch call from your page. Use fetch with method get or post and include headers like authorization and content type. Test the request in the browser console and inspect the network tab to confirm response status before moving on to parsing. You now handle the middle complexity: parsing, errors, and UI mapping. Use async/await so code reads top to bottom, wrap calls in try/catch. After fetch, check response. OK and throw a meaningful error if false, then await response. JSON, use a BORT controller to cancel long requests and set timeouts client-side. Once data arrives, normalize keys to your UI model and update state or DOM. Make sure to show loading and error states so users know what's happening. You finish by securing and optimizing the integration. Shift API keys to a backend endpoint or proxy and validate inputs server-side. This prevents exposing secrets. Add client-side caching, debouncing for rapid input, and retries with backoff for transient errors. Finally, if things go wrong, reproduce the request in the Network tab, read status codes and JSON error messages, and verify cores and quotas. If you still struggle, log the full request/response on the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.